Super easy and delicious milky rice cake. No flour and absolutely delicious. To a bowl, add melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, honey, and mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. At this point, gradually add some evaporated milk. This adds a lovely taste and richness. Mix together until well combined. And now add the rice flour. And mix together until well combined. Now to a greased baking pan, add the batter and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 15 to 20 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out dry. Once baked, remove from the heat and enjoy. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.